everyone. Are you ready to learn your first sound? I am. Excellent. Shall we have a look in our sound box and see what sound we are learning? I'll get it. Oh, that's strange, Lulu. There's no sound in there. There's no sound in there. What are we going to do? It's because we didn't say the magic words. Oh, what are the magic words? What sound have we found? Lulu, you're right. What sound have we found? We have found this sound. Now this sound is the sound S. Oh, that sounds like a snake. It does. Can you make that sound? Brilliant. Now, can you take your finger and can you make the sound with your finger? The shape of the sound. Are you ready? Off you go. So we know the sound S. What's the letter name? The letter name is S. So the letter is S and the sound is S. What words start with S? Shall we have a look at 4 words that start with the sound S?
Sea, sea. Stars, stars. Sun, sun. Snail, snail.
Great work, and that's your first sound. Well done. Can we think of a sentence or can we say something with one of our words in from today?
I can think of one. I saw a snail by the sea. Can you think of a sentence?